How to use lighting channels in Unreal Engine 5. In our scene, we have two lights, red light and spotlight. We select red light and enter the lighting channel. And we can see the lighting channel default value is channel 0. And the Q, all of them is also the channel 0. So if we change it to channel 1, you can see the spotlight is displayed. Why spotlight is displayed now? Because spotlight lighting channel is channel 1. You can see it. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.